If you are unable to delete your profile in the Netflix app for Android, this guide will help you fix it. This issue is typically caused by a simple setting restriction. You can follow these steps to resolve the problem and regain control of your account profiles. Let's get started. Now, the main reason the delete profile option is not working is because you cannot delete the profile you are currently using. So let's say we open Netflix and open a profile. Now go to My Netflix from the bottom, tap the three-line icon in the top right corner, tap Manage Profiles. After that, tap the pencil icon on your current profile. Now try to delete it. As you can see, you're unable to delete it, but you can fix this. Go back to My Netflix section on your Netflix app. Now tap your Netflix profile name at the top. Switch to a different profile. In this new profile, go to My Netflix and tap the three-line icon in the top right corner. Tap Manage Profiles. Now tap the pencil icon on top of that old profile. Scroll down. As you can see, the delete profile option is now available. And guys, that's how you fix the missing delete profile problem on your Netflix on Android. And guys, that's how you fix the missing delete profile problem on your Netflix on Android. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick Netflix fixes. See you next time.